Hello.
This weekend, I went with my cycling team for a longer ride. Every Saturday, we do a longer ride. And I noticed that a couple of riders in front of me, they were having trouble with numb hands. And they were trying to get the blood circulation back. And there is a tip for that. It's very simple. You just hold, do a very strong fist, very strong, and put it down. Yes, strong fist, down. So this way, the blood comes back faster. Quick one, isn't it? I know it's a quick tip. It's just quick tips. And they always come when I do remember something. Yes, it's a very quick one, very simple. It works also when you're using like a phone, you're holding your hands and your hands start to get numb. So you just hold it very strongly and down. Yes, simple one. If you did like it, please subscribe. Yes, click the little bell. The little bell is the one. Little bird. Very nice. Beautiful. The little bell is the one that's gonna tell YouTube that you like the videos and you want to be notified. Because those quick tips, they come whenever I see something, I remember something, I forget to do something, just to help you. And they would be lost in a longer video. And the longer videos come always on Saturdays. So in the quick tips, whenever they come. So, hope you like it. Bye-bye.